Hey guys, happy Thursday. I am so done. Like I didn't even vlog yesterday, you guys. Um it was a lot going on and I had to get so much done throughout the day, and then Michaela is not feeling well. By the way, this is the morning of my trip. I am leaving out after I take the kids to school this morning. And then tomorrow is the official day of when we leave for our girls' vacation. Y'all like my hair? I did my hair last night. I did it myself. Y'all, I am loving this hairstyle. Like, who's this? Oh my gosh, who that? But I did it like midnight last night. I was like, I'm trying to get to bed by 12 o'clock at least. It just was a lot going on. I had to take the kids to their doctor's appointments. Michaela is not feeling well. She had a track meet last week. And the day was extremely cold. It was freezing. It was freezing. They probably should have canceled it, but I don't know why they didn't. It was raining and then it stopped. And then after that, it just was freezing. So I think because of that, and she just had her uniform on, which was one of them little shorts and little t-shirt thing. So she wasn't, fully like warm. She wasn't warm at all. It was freezing. I had a jacket on and I was still cold. So I think because of that, she got sick and now she's not feeling well. So my husband and we spent the day yesterday just doctoring her up, try to at least get her to gain a little bit more strength. So I think she's staying home today. My husband is going to be off, you guys. He's going to be on vacation as well. Him and, well, not him and the kids, but he's going to be on vacation. But, he's going to be taking over everything. Well, not really taking over because he's daddy. But he's going to be here with the kids and they're just going to have a grand old time. I know that they are. He already has plans to take them places and to do things with them. So I'm so excited. I'm more excited for him that he gets to finally take the day off. Y'all, I don't really talk about my husband much on here, but he's the real hero, like, of the family. He works 7 days a week, y'all. And, he does it. He does it all. He works. When he comes home, he's dad, he's husband, he's, trying to build a business, just ministry. Okay. So I'm so happy that he's finally taking it. And I had to force him to take the days off. Otherwise he wouldn't, but he so needed it. Yesterday I saw him sitting in the recliner and he just fell asleep and he looked so peaceful, but yet just so tired. And I'm just so happy that he's finally taken the day off from all the hard work that he does for our family. So yeah, I am done packing and everything. So I did my hair, did my toes. I just gotta do my nails, but I think I'm just gonna paint them. I was gonna put on like the press-on nails, but I think I'm just gonna paint them because I like to just be able to use my hands to, I'm just, so I'm going to get Nyla ready for school. I got her stuff down on the floor there, but I'm gonna get her ready for school. Get Michaela some soup, and then I'm gonna get myself dressed, take them to school, come back, and put my stuff in the car, and I'm headed out early, you guys. So I will catch you guys up on the road. All right. And yeah, y'all pray for me. Okay. Pray for my trip. And though when y'all see this, we'll probably be done with the trip. But y'all pray for me anyway, because we need the prayers. All right. So I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good morning, you guys. Well, happy Thursday. Okay, guys. Happy Friday. We are here, my girls and I. We're missing one, but we'll see her in Florida. We are on the plane and we are on our way to our girls' trip. So excited, y'all. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. So, plane is about to take off. Once it takes off, I'm going to sleep. okay? I'm gonna take a little nap because I'm tired. We've been up since midnight. We fell asleep, and you know, all the things. So I hope you guys are having a good Friday. It's 6:30, something like that, and we're tired, y'all. We are exhausted, but thank God. I'm gonna tell y'all that the craziness that happened this morning, y'all. We literally, our flight was supposed to be boarded at 5:55. We thought it was 6:15. Literally, not a minute spared. Okay, they closed the flight at 6:15.
Okay, the door was closed.
We were literally the last ones on the plane. And everybody's sitting down staring at us. The lady looked at us like, what are y'all doing? Y'all are late.
And I'm like, we can't have coffee.
It was insane, but we're good. God is good. We made it on the plane, and yeah, so we'll see you guys once we land in Orlando. So, hey fams, hey guys. We are here. I don't know if I told you guys that I was going on a girls trip, like annual girls trip with my friends, and we are here. That's Meeks. Hey Meeks. And Carrie Ann is up front. Hey Carrie. Salida is already here. We are just enjoying ourselves, you guys. It's gonna be such a fun time, and we're just looking forward to some much needed R&R. I hope that you guys are having a great Friday, and I'll touch base with you guys throughout the course of the trip. And yeah, good to see y'all. That is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. Welcome.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. Stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, just call on me.
This is the restaurant we're getting ready to go eat. You guys, eat at the Boathouse. It's absolutely beautiful.
Just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, swear that I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember.
alligators in the water?
So yes, this is Florida. People have them. Any lake can possibly have them.
They
make the joke though when you're out here when you got $1 million everywhere, that gets rid of a lot of problems.
okay, but let me ask you a question. They don't,
Chance that you'll find them.
but they don't jump up in the water. Like,
They don't jump like that.
oh my
Let me
god.
get on
You're
back
not
to
gonna see
this.
them jumping or jumping in the water.
What's the name of your Bluetooth?
So out here you got 11 lakes all connected.
Okay.
Lakes, every home you're gonna see out here is $1 million and nothing. There's nothing cheaper than that.
Wow.
The largest home in the United States is on these lakes.
Wow.
To see all 11 lakes takes about 2 to 3 hours of non-stop driving. That's how big this chain is.
Wow. Salita.
Hey, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. And then it's linked up.
I'm trying to link up right
Yep,
now.
make sure the volume's all the way up on your phone.
Okay, hold on, let me.
Do you mind if I put you on YouTube? Okay. Say hi, guys. We are on the lake, you guys. We're on the boat. Oh my god. So cool.
You guys celebrate anything?
You know, we meet up once a year. We're friends from high school.
Nice.
I hope it never ends. Let's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
Magic back in 1992, so made the roof the same color as the Magic.
Y'all, this house belongs to Shaquille O'Neal. Oh my gosh.
You're good.
Shaquille O'Neal's.
Call me if you want to buy Shaq home.
Believe you love me, oh, oh, oh. I just feel so lucky, oh, oh, oh. Still can't believe you love me. Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking?
Siegel. He is the owner of Westgate Lakes Resorts, a timeshare resort called Westgate. He's a billionaire, $6 billion to be exact.
Wow.
Doesn't own this home anymore because now it belongs to his ex-wife.
Ah.
His ex-wife got this house was $200 million, one of the largest court settlements in Florida history.
Wow.
She got this house, 7 acres of land. When she got divorced, she got remarried awfully quickly, and she married the gardener that David Siegel originally hired.
Wow.
Gardner
This
lives
is my juiciest story I got.
Now he can divorce her and take all of it.
They take all of the money, right?
This is her guest house coming up here to the right.
Which one?
This white one.
Seeing it? That's her guest house.
That is her guest house. Wow.
Why would you hear that?
Totally turned into a gym. And then all this swamp going down might be swamp. That's all her land. So you see those homes in the far distance.
So does this tour place pay her like money or taxes or something? Does the tour company pay her any type of money since this is her land?
No, look, so nobody can own water in the state of Florida.
Oh, okay.
This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more.
They look exactly the same, but look at the paint color, it's different. One's white, one's yellow.
Yeah.
So the one with the big screen in the back of the house, the patio area,
Yeah.
that was Tiger Woods' home. That's where he was the best of the best. And unfortunately, that's where it all went down. On the other side of the home is where he crashed his car trying to escape his ex-wife swinging out with a golf club.
Oh,
That's where it all
wow.
went down. The next home to the right, this just belonged to Wesley Snipes. Wesley actually grew up here in Orlando. Went to Children's High
Really?
School right down the road from here. Doesn't live there anymore. But the lady that lives there now, her name's Brenda, and she invented the ab roller.
Oh,
You're
wow.
gonna stick through a wheel and that'd be your house.
Wow.
Owns Tupperware.
Oh my gosh.
Headquarters is here in Orlando, next to Gatorland.
Just put some plastic together and you go on
There you
like
go.
that.
Well, not even that. There's a museum, like you can go check, but I'm like, I can just go to my mom's.
They own
But yeah, they have a
Tupperware.
museum, like over by Gatorland. You can see.
This family owns
Oh, you
Tupperware.
just go by your
The Tupperware that we use, guys, every single day. This
Well, I
is
hope
this
you ladies had a
is
great
the
time.
owners.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's